Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video we will make a full teardown of the JBL Bar 1300. As you can see in this video, this soundbar is amazing, and I see why this is the flagship from the JBL. So please tell me in the comments, what do you think?
So the first time we will undo the screws from behind. We have many screws and we must take care of this screw that is hidden here under this seal.
We have here the two rear detachable speakers. The JBL Bar 1300 offers a total power of 1170 watts, and now we want to see the drivers inside. So under this seal it's a hidden screw. So we took out the big screws, and now we're gonna remove the small ones. We took out all the screws, and now we're gonna flip the JBL and
Take down the top cover. So the top cover is down. We can see here the main board and the top speakers.
and the side speakers, because compared to the JBL Bar 1000, now in this gap where the rear detachable batteries power speakers should plug in, we have lateral speakers.
We have here many screws. We must take them down carefully, and then we're gonna try to take it off. Let's try it.
So at the first look,
These speakers have no screws.
are the same speakers as the JBL Bar 1000. As you can see, a soundbar like this is composed of many speakers.
From what I see, you have 6 in the front and another 2 on the sides of the bar.
We will count them to see if there are 15 with the rear detachable speakers. So for the front cover to take off, we need to remove these clips. So this is impressive. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 speakers only in the main soundbar unit. So we have 15.1.4. After we turn down the detachable speaker, we will turn down the big wireless subwoofer.
I will put the screws from this rear speaker in the same place because they are the same.
So the speakers are very small. So we have 4 upward firing speakers. They are about 7 centimeters big, and the racetrack drivers on the front, they are about 8 centimeters big.
And that's it. We have here one big speaker in the front, and from what I see, we have some more screws here, so we can take off the
side cover. So the rear speaker is much harder to tear down, because we want to see the size of the speakers and how they works. When we're ready, we will gonna play a bass boosted song on the soundbar to see how all the speakers move.
So this one wasn't a speaker, it's just a bass reflex membrane.
Yes. And now we see we have here the same speaker that we have there, and here we have the same. No, it's a small one. It's a smaller one.
No, I think it's the same. We can measure it. Let's see. So we have like 9 centimeters, and the front ones are exactly 9 centimeters. So it's the same.
So we have in the rear speaker only 2 speakers.
Yes, 2 speakers and another 2 bass reflex membranes.
So one that is for Atmos sound and one for directional sound.
Okay.
So this is the rear battery power speaker
With 6600 milliamperes, 6.6 amperes. It's supposed to keep this on like 4 hours. So we have 8 screws here in order to take down to see what's inside.
This is a 10-inch subwoofer. As you can see,
It's precisely 25 centimeters.
25 centimeters. That means 9.5 inches. So as you see this glitter, we made a sound test with some glitter, with some paper, to see what it does to the glitter.
And what it does? Dirt.
Big mess in the house. A very big
Okay.
mess.
I took all the screws down,
Okay.
and I propose to put it on the side in order to take down the speaker. Okay, it's not easy.
So this is a big woofer.
Yes, the cable is not that long, so
Let's see what it says on the back.
I did unplug it so you can read.
So we have 3 ohms.
3 ohms, yes. It
And
doesn't say the power.
it doesn't say the power, and inside we have some paper from another from another test, and the board.
It's a very small board, but it does a good job.
And this is the woofer. So let's plug in the soundbar and play. So this is the maximum level. The full teardown of the JBL Bar 1300. This is the battery power rear speakers. This is the amazing main soundbar board, and this is the big 10-inch subwoofer. So please tell me in the comments, what do you think? Would you buy something like that for 1,400 euros? Please tell me in the comments.